Hello students, welcome to the 8th day of our bridge course. Our today's topic is operations on similar surds, addition and subtraction. Before we start to the topic, we need to recall our previous knowledge. You know that the 4 square can be written as 4 into 4, that gives us 16. Therefore, 4 square is equal to 16, and we can say that the square root of 16 is equal to 4. This symbol is used to represent the square root of number. Therefore, you can also say that the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Here also 9 square is equal to 81. In word, you can say that the square root of 81 is 9. And using symbol, you can also say that the square root of 81 is 9. Let us see the another example, 2 to the power 3, that is cube of 2. It means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that gives us 8. Therefore, cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Here this symbol is called radical, and the number under the radical sign is called the radicand. The small number on left corner of radical sign is called order or index. In square root, an index of 2 is understood and usually not written. Here no index is written, it means that we have to assume that there is index 2. Here square root of 36 is 6, therefore 2 is the index. So write here 2 in the given box. Look at these two values, square root of 4 and square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2, which is whole number, but square root of 5 cannot be simplified into whole number. If further we simplify it, we will get decimal number. So this is an example of surd, and this is not an example of surd. These are the another example of surds. The next important point is similar or like surds. Two surds are said to be like surds if their order is same and radicands are equal. Here, the radicands of all the given surds are equal. That is, radicand is 3 in all the given surds. Therefore, radicands are equal. And here, order is not shown. It means that the order of all the 3 surds are 2. Therefore, order and radicand both are same. Therefore, these are the similar surds. Let us try to solve the given exercise. Choose the correct option. Here we have to add the given two surds. Radicands of both the surds are 3 and orders of both the surds are 2. It means that order and radicand both are same. Therefore, the given surds are similar surds. Keep in mind that only the similar surds can be added or subtracted. Take root 3 common, then we will have 2 plus 1 in bracket, that gives 3 root 3. So correct option is D. In second problem also, radicands and order are same. Therefore, the given surds are similar surds. Take root 5 common, and we have 10 minus 4 in bracket, that gives 6 root 5. So correct option is C. Simplify the following. First, make the given surd as similar surds. Write the factors of 63 in such a way that the one factor should be perfect square. Factors are 9 7 63. Square root of 9 is 3. Now we have similar surds. Now add 3 plus 21, that gives 24, and root 7 will be as it is. Therefore, answer is 24 root 7. In this problem, write the factors of 80 in such a way that the one factor should be 5. Therefore, factors are 5 into 16. The square root of 16 is 4. Now we have all the three similar surds. I have taken out root 5 as common factor. Then we have in bracket 7 minus 4 plus 4, that gives us 7 root 5. Let us solve the third problem. Simplify 4 into square root of 12 minus square root of 75 minus 7 into square root of 48. Radicand 12, 75 and 48 are different. So our first task is to obtain the equal radicand. For this we need to factorize the radicand in such a way that the one factor should be perfect square. 12 can be factorized as 4 into 3, where 4 is a perfect square. Similarly, 75 can be factorized as 25 into 3 and 48 can be factorized as 16 into 3, where 25 and 16 are perfect squares. Square root of 4 is 2, therefore write 2 outside the sign. Hence we have 4 into 2 into square root of 3. Square root of 25 is 5, so minus 5 into root 3 minus square root of 16 is 4, so write 4 outside the sign. Then we have minus 7 into 4 into root 3. Next step, we can see that we have obtained the same radicand. So take the same radicand as a common, and in bracket we have 8 minus 5 minus 28, that gives us minus 25 root 3.